Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. We're going to check out a couple of more growth and income stocks now with Rob Plaza, our growth and income stock strategist at Zacks.com. We've got a couple of familiar names here that you've written about recently. Lennox International being one of them, LII, the ticker symbol. These are the furnace people, right?
That's correct. Lennox International, they sell, manufacture, and service HVAC systems, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning in both residential and commercial markets.
In industry talk, climate control solutions.
That's right. And right now,
furnaces.
That's right. Right now, they're still seeing some problems in their commercial business, but surprisingly, their residential business going into homes is really started to pick up in the second half
that
of
is surprising.
2009.
Because people need to replace old furnaces?
Yeah, or maybe it was a foreclosure, and you're coming in and you're trying to flip the house, convince you sell it, put a new furnace, something like that.
Okay.
But we've seen its estimates moving higher, and fourth quarter results beat by 10 cents. And as far as its comparison with the industry, pretty much in line, except the one thing that we like is its debt. Its debt-to-equity ratio is much lower. They have a much healthier balance sheet than that of the industry, and it has a dividend yield of 1.3%. So it's a pretty solid growth and income play. As long as we're seeing a recovery in housing and the consumer, a company like Lennox International should continue to prosper in that environment.
Even though that recovery in housing might be slow?
Well, considering where it was non-existent, and their numbers went way down, and they dropped, and now they're coming back up. Even if it's half or a quarter of where it was before, it's still growth compared to last year.
I mean, as far as growth of a company like this, somebody who provides, product to that industry, will this provider's growth will it track the pace of the growth of the housing industry? In other words, slow as well?
Yes, but off a very small base from before that.
Okay. And
our second pick is Nina Paper.
Right.
This is a Zacks ranked #1 stock.
So he's here 3 weeks and he's already doing my parts. Okay. NP, the ticker symbol.
That's right. They make premium and specialty grade paper. I know that might come as a surprise.
Geez, who'd have thunk that?
Right. And they've got the perfect recipe for higher stock price. They were able to cut costs, maintain those cost cuts, and increase prices to their customers.
Okay.
So as you can guess, estimates are moving higher. And in the last 4 quarters, they've beaten by an average of 145%. So expectations are still pretty low for this company as it's hitting higher numbers. And then compared to the industry, higher return on equity, less debt than the industry average, and unlike the industry, which really doesn't pay a dividend, Nina Paper has a 2.4% dividend yield. So.
Okay, that's it. That's all you got, huh?
Those are my two.
Not any more up your sleeve or anything, right?
No.
Do you own either of these two?
No, I don't.
All right, check out other Zacks Rank Buy stock pick ideas from other analysts who don't try to take my job. On our homepage at Zacks.com, over in that upper right-hand corner, we put 4 new stock pick ideas for you up there daily, one in each of the investing categories that we write about. With Rob Plaza, I'm Terry Ruffalo.